Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a clean with me and cook with me. This is the before, so let's get started and clean up. Before I get started on the cleaning, I just want to thank you guys so much for those of you who have been watching my videos and liking my videos, and those of you who have been subscribing. I'm really and truly grateful, and that you guys like my content enough to like them or even subscribe, so I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. So the first area I am cleaning is the countertops. I feel like we leave a lot of things that can be easily organized just there, and it's it gets very untidy easily because where we just leave things. And so I really just want to give it a nice clean and just reorganize things back the way that I would like them to be. Something I find as I am getting older, that the things I dreaded doing the most when I was younger, like chores like cleaning and washing the dishes, I find them very therapeutic and very stress free. Now that I'm older, I just find them to be really nice, and I like doing these things, and making these videos is a lot easier because it's something that I enjoy doing, and just showing you guys that this is what I like to do, and it just makes it easier. So I just showed you soursop fruit, which is a local fruit, and the leaf is said to help cure cancer. So I'm just putting everything back into place, and this is how it is looking once it's done. It looks so much better and so much more organized. Let's go on to the stove and get it clean. Now I know there are different brands out there that have different products for stove, for countertops, for the kitchen, different areas of the house. And I just want to say, I am a very simple person. I think that if I find one thing that works for every area of my home, I'm gonna use it. So I just like simple things. I like to spend money on things where I can make memories, but also on food as well. I'm going to clean the countertop next to the zinc, and you guys see what I'm talking about. There's stuff on the counters that does not belong there. But then life get busy sometimes, and I think as humans we should not be that hard on ourselves, just as long as we take the time to get these things done. So I'm just finishing up wiping off the counter, and then I'm gonna go down at the sink and wipe around the counter where the sink is, and then I'm going to just do a towel wipe and then get the dishes that have been washed. I'm just going to go ahead and take them out and put them in their respective places. So I'm now going to put away the glass plates and the cups and whatnot. I already put away the rest of the dishes. So once I'm done with that, I had a few dishes in the sink. I'm just going to go ahead and wash those up.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Once I'm finished washing those dishes, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse them.
Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been
Now this is how the sink area is looking once it is done. So next I'm going to go ahead and get started on lunch. I have some broccoli here and I put some baking soda to clean the broccoli. And if you guys remember the last food prep and food that we stock, I did the wings. These are the last parts of wings, so I'm gonna cook those. And I have some pizza spaghetti sauce and some rice, and I'm just gonna put this meat together. So once the broccoli has been sitting in the baking soda water for a while, I'm just gonna rinse it and just try to get any dirt or what's not, bugs out of it. And then once that's done, I'm gonna rinse the rice.
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
So I went ahead and put the broccoli on to cook for a little. I put the water for the rice and some sugar to stew for the chicken. And once the sugar is melted, you're gonna wait until you want a nice color on your chicken, and then you add the chicken in and some water, and you just let it cook. And later on you can add ketchup and curry and seasoning and what's not. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rice. And I am a bit clumsy, but once the broccoli finished, I add some butter and some garlic, and I'm going to go ahead and toss them in. And you can add pepper and salt, what's not. I'm just gonna toss them in and let them kind of saute in that to absorb all of the garlic and butter flavor. I'm gonna add a flavored pepper into the chicken, and this is how the chicken is looking, like halfway done. The rice is done and the chicken is done as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate up and show you guys everything, and the broccoli is also done. So this was lunch, and the broccoli was so good. You guys should try the broccoli and some butter and garlic.
The next day.
So this is the next day, and I didn't get to do these yesterday because the afternoon got a bit busy for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten up the couches. And I'm sorry that you guys can't really see much, but I'm shaking off like any crumbs or what's not off of the covering and straighten up the couch itself.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you?
So now I'm just dusting off the cushions and put them back in their places.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't.
And this is how it's looking once it is done. Now I move on to the next couch. There are actually 3 couches, but only 2 of them needed to clean up a bit on this day. I just want to say I'm sorry for how I'm turned, but I had to zoom in the video because the sun was coming in a lot. So I had to zoom it in so that you guys can see the couch a lot better. So I hope you guys understand that is not my intention, but yes. I'm just gonna repeat everything I did with the last couch. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys will enjoy your weekend. Don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet because you never know the impact that they will have on your life. Thank you guys so much for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.